A very good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today we are back at Trophy Motorsport for another installation day. And what we have today is this very beautiful Porsche 992 GT3 in for exhaust upgrade. As you may know, our very own 992 GT3 was the first in Malaysia to be equipped with an aftermarket exhaust system. And this car will be the second 992 GT3 in Malaysia to be equipped with an aftermarket exhaust system. So in case you haven't watched our previous video of our very own GT3 with the IPE exhaust, you can click on the link at the top right corner. Well, for our client's GT3 here today, we are going to install a complete exhaust system from IPE. So what we are going to install is the exactly same exhaust system that we have on our very own GT3. And here is the exhaust, the IPE full exhaust system for the GT3, whereby it comes with a set of this equal length 200 cell cathode headers. Then to the middle section we have the titanium rear muffler. These are made out of titanium, so they are extremely lightweight, and also the owner has upgraded the exhaust tips to this very beautiful titanium gold exhaust tips for the GT3. If you are considering to have this IPE exhaust system on your GT3, for the headers section, there's actually two options from IPE exhaust. So this one that we have here today is what we call the equal length headers, and the other option is the standard headers, which is unequal length. And of course, with this equal length headers, the car will sound much better. So basically, this is how the equal length headers design. This header section are equal length, and down to this section, this is the 200 cell catalytic converters, whereby IPE actually applied a layer of this high temperature heat protection on the 200 cells catalytic converters. For the exhaust tips, the standard package comes in chrome silver color, but IPE does have a few other options for upgrade. One of them is this beautiful titanium gold tips. Also, IPE has the titanium blue tips, the chrome black tips, and even the carbon fiber tips available. After a few hours of hard work, we finally managed to remove the factory exhaust out from the GT3 and put it side by side to compare with the IPE exhaust that we are going to fit on the car. The GT3 is a UK imported unit, so it does have this extra OPF and GPF filters, which are located on the headers. So these are the factory headers, and you can see that these headers are very heavy and also muted on the sound because of these catalytic converters and also the GPF. To the rear muffler section, so you can see that it has a very huge and restrictive design. So with this design, the factory rear muffler, it kills off a lot of sound on the GT3, and that's why it makes the car sounds so quiet. With this IPE full exhaust system installed on the GT3, you will get some proper performance improvements whereby you will get 21.4 horsepower and 14.6 Newton meters of torque increase over this factory exhaust system, and also some serious weight reduction over the factory system whereby you will get 9.3 kilograms of weight reduction by installing this IPE exhaust alone, and that's about 22% lighter compared to this. That being said, with this IPE exhaust installed on your GT3, you will get some proper performance and also sound improvement on the 4-liter naturally aspirated engine. Interesting facts about the IPE exhaust for the GT3 is that when you install these 200 cell cathode headers on the GT3, it is 100% guarantee that you won't get any check engine light even on the OPF and GPF models. So this is a very good news for the cars with OPF and GPF, where you can install this IPE exhaust without any worries and you don't get any check engine light, so that you don't actually need to tune the car. We have finished installing the IPE exhaust on the GT3, and now we are starting up the car. So this is the cold start of the GT3 with the brand new IPE exhaust. Now this is our client's 2022 Porsche 992 GT3, and now we are going to have a walk around tour of the car and also briefly talk about the specs, the options that he have on his GT3. So obviously the body color is finished off in this shark blue color, which is the launch color for the 992 GT3 series. And also the wheels are painted in silver color, while the brakes, he did have the option carbon ceramic brakes, and with the calipers option to be painted in black color. Usually for the 992 GT3, the owners will go with the PDK transmission and also the Club Sport package, which comes with the roll cage. But for this car is kind of special because our client actually optioned for this 6-speed manual transmission, and on the rear you don't see the roll cage that usually can be seen on the GT3s, but it does have this carbon fiber full bucket seats. It's quite interesting to see a 992 GT3 with the 6-speed manual transmission and also without the Club Sport package, so it somehow feels like a 992 GT3 touring with the rear wing, and also one of a very few 992 GT3s in Malaysia with the manual transmission. It's quite rare to see. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this brand new IPE exhaust for the GT3. How does it sound, and also how does this titanium gold exhaust tips looks on the shark blue GT3. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.